It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Look, I got so much stuff back here that I have to unbox, so I'm going to be coming with quite a few unboxing videos, probably for the next few videos. So if y'all interested in seeing what I'm unboxing first, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, Prince Squad, big timers, old timers, t-shirtpreneurs, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome first timer. As I was telling y'all, I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages I'm going to be unboxing. So I will be posting up a few unboxing videos. Some of the videos are going to be for a different channel that I made a while back called TshirtChick. So if y'all interested in checking out some of the other items that I'm going to be unboxing, if they're not on this TshirtChick channel, they will be on the TshirtChick channel. So this package right here actually ended up getting lost, y'all. It ended up getting lost. It was supposed to be delivered last week, but I'm just now getting the package today. It's actually from a company by the name of GSGG, and these are some very unique custom items, and I just wanted to be able to share this with y'all, and I'm really kind of excited about it. When the package came up missing, I kind of got a little mad because I've been kind of excited about seeing how everything turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. All right, as y'all see, I got a new folding area, so I'm gonna be unboxing right here in my new folding area, or on my new folding table. So right here, I'm gonna just go ahead and rip this off and go ahead and slide the box out. Right here, you can see their branding right here. It says leading manufacturer of custom promotional gifts. And I'm gonna put their little barcode, and maybe y'all can check out their little scan barcode right there. But if not, I'm gonna leave a link down below this video. So I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. Your girl is excited. I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I know I don't really show a lot of emotion sometimes, but I am pretty excited about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna check this out together. Let me see. All right, let me see. I think we can just lift this top off of here now. Y'all, for real, I don't believe this. All right, y'all, I'm gonna stop playing. I'm just kind of excited about this. Okay, so right here we have some custom TshirtChick pins. And right here, we have some custom TshirtChick lanyards, okay? So I was real excited when I found out that they was going to be sending me some custom items with my logo on it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open this up. And they got it packaged up pretty good. I might have to get the scissors, take the scissors to it. Let me see. We got it open, but it was packaged up pretty good. So y'all look at there. That's the good stuff inside this little baggie right here. That's the good stuff. Let me pull this out and let y'all check it out. So right here, as y'all see, there's the little TshirtChick pin. It's just a custom TshirtChick pin right there, as y'all see. I'm gonna lay some out on the table so that y'all can see them a little better. And I think it's 40 of these pins right here. So I'm going to let y'all check out this next item right here. And let me see if I can just pull one out. Oh, okay, they're tied up. That's why I can't pull this one out, because they do have them secured together. So we just gonna go ahead I'm gonna pull this one out. Y'all, I'm telling you, I was so excited waiting on this, y'all. They did send me a mock-up, and I just really couldn't wait for it to come in. So right here, we got the TshirtChick lanyard right here. So you can put your house keys on here. You can put a name tag on there. You can put whatever you want on there. You can just wear it around your neck because it's got that TshirtChick logo on there just to support your girl. So, you know, that's what we got right here. And I got it on backwards. I will put it on backwards. But anyway, y'all can see what it is. So the company GSGG, they make custom promotional items. So I will put a link down below this video for you guys to check it out. But like I promised y'all, I'm going to give y'all the close-up view. Before I jump off of this thing, I'm going to lay a couple of them out just so y'all can check everything out. All right, so that is what they are looking like up close right there. They got that Print Squad t-shirt just right. They got the TshirtChick smile just right. The TshirtChick twist just right. All right, so we also have over here the lanyards. So that's what everything is looking like up close. I should have put that red t-shirt, the one with me and the red t-shirt on here. But that's what it's looking like right here. And the end of it is just a little, you know, I don't even know what you call these things. Right here. Just flick it just like that. And that's what we got right there. And we got 40 of each. So if y'all order some stuff off my website, you will be getting one of these. So if you order like TshirtChick t-shirts, even the forms, if you order the forms, I can ship it to you also. Yeah, so if y'all order anything off of my website, you can go to the Crafters Hangout website where I have like the rhinestones, I have the sublimation transfers. I think I will be doing some screen printed transfers on there pretty soon. So if you order anything from my Crafters Hangout or my TshirtChick TV website, I'll link both of those below. Y'all order anything off of either of my websites for the whole month of August, I will be sending these out until I run out. So I got 40 of them. So if I get 40 orders before the end of the month, then that's it. If 40 people don't order before the end of the month, then, I don't. And make sure when you make your order that you leave in the notes, which one you would like. If I run out of one or the other, then I'll send the other one. Put your first choice. And if I don't have your first choice available, I'll have to give you your second choice. But I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you, GSJJ, for sending out these awesome custom items for me. Y'all, let me know what y'all think of these things down below. And if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And thank you, GSJJ, for sending me out these awesome custom products. I will leave the link down below for others who are interested. And I will see you guys in another episode. But until then, be blessed.